Hello guys, in today's lecture we will see how can we install the Red Hat Linux on the top of Windows. So for this we will use the virtualization technology and we will use the VirtualBox for it. To get the more information about the virtualization technology, I suggest you should read blogs about it. I will not go about the virtualization technology in this lecture. So we will use the VirtualBox. You can search about it on the Google and you will see that link. Okay. And other than Oracle VirtualBox, many others software also available which provide the virtualization, just like VMware. So, but I will stick with the Oracle VirtualBox. Let me see the download link. I think this is okay. I think download has been started. It is taking some time. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay. As you can see, I don't have right now any VirtualBox installed right now. Okay, this is the already previous download package name. It is not the box installed VirtualBox. Okay, I think we have downloaded. Let me install it in the system. Uh, click- okay, okay. What's the date? What's go wrong? Okay, let me go to the download section. Yeah, we have installed it. Okay, I think it's taking. I will open the multiple pop-ups. Let's close this part. Okay, now it is installing. Click on the next. Accept the license. Click on the next. Keep it is same. Don't change anything. I will go with default right now. Uh, just ignore it right now. Click on the X. Yes. I have enabled this all the part because I want to add in the start menu and create a shortcut on the desktop. Click on the next. Uninstall. Now it is started. So I think it will take some couple of minutes. It might take couple of minutes. So let's wait for it. Uh, in the meantime, we can install the ISO file. So our VirtualBox, we are using the VirtualBox. So VirtualBox need a ISO file to launch the OS. So go to search for RH ISO download. You will see the first link. It is the free of cost, so there will be no charges for it. But as per I remember, I think it will ask to create the account in the Reddit. So I have already downloaded the ISO file here. So I think it will around 10 GB. So it will take more time. So I have already downloaded. So, okay, we have installed it and click on the Phoenix. Okay. Now we have VirtualBox also. I have downloaded the ISO file also. You can see this is the I think 7.2.6 version of it. To create the new VM, okay, you can see this icon. Click on it. Give any name. So let me RHEL 10. Select the folder where you want to keep the files. Right now I have selected this. Select the ISO image. I have already downloaded the image, and you can select from others. If I have already created many VMs before, so it is showing here, here right now. In my in your case, might be you have first time downloading the VirtualBox, so you will not see any isomesh. So click on the others and select the image from, select the path from there. Okay, and already selected. Now it is asking some thing. I think it is asking some password, so let me set. I think it doesn't need any. This password is not related to right now anything, so just keep it simple. I think we will not need this password in future for the demo, for the lectures. Okay, now go to the finish. We will keep it the same. As you can also increase the uh, memory and CPU for that VM. So I think I will keep around 4 GB and 2 CPUs. I also you can also specify how much hard disk you should allocate. So I am currently I will go with the default 20 GB and click on the finish. Okay, now I think it is now powering up the VM. So let's wait for it to come up. Okay, it is taking time. Yeah, now it's launched. What happened? Sorry for the this slow. I think my system is very slow, so just bear with me. Okay, now it's starting. Yeah. It's taking time. Very slow. You can also use the other ISO files, just like I will go with I will prefer Red Hat RHEL. You can also search for Ubuntu ISO file. You can if many distribution provide their ISO file, so you can download that according to your uh, convenience. It's taking time. Something is wrong with it. Let me start then. Let me again restart this VM. I think there might be one issue. I think okay. So in the while creating this VM, we have selected the ISO file, but I think it is detached right now. So click on this again, choose this part. Now again restart the VM. Yeah, Let, just select the first option. Now it's working. Let's select the first option and click on the enter. Press the enter. Okay. I think it will. It should work this time. Yeah, something's come up. Yeah, it's working. Right. Yeah, it's working. It's working this time. Let's wait for it to boot. It might take some time. What's wrong with it? Yeah, yeah. It's it is working. Yeah, yeah, it's working. You can select the language. I currently I will go with the default. Click on the continue at the right bottom. Yeah. Now this is the many things here we have to do. You can see the keyboard. You can select. You can the connect. If there is, you can connect to the your Red Hat account. Uh, Install source. Also there you can select how you want to install the OS with with GUI or without GUI installation partition. Just like we when we install the when we install the Windows, we see C drive, D drive kind of thing. So it is that part. So I will go with default. So just like we are creating only the C drive in the Windows, it is something like that. Okay, so just done it. I will go with the minimum installation. So there will be no GUI. So you can, if you are not comfortable right now with the CLI part, so you can go with the server with GUI. But for the tutorials, I will use the CLI only. Okay. Now I will select. If you one more thing, if you install the GUI, it will install many other software also. If you don't have so much RAM or CPU, so I will recommend to go with the minimum installation. Now I will create the root account. Means I will set the root password. Okay. Allow For now I will allow the SSH here. If your password is weak, you have to create, you have to click on the done button 2 times. Okay, I will not create the any other user. Now click on the begin installation button. It might take around 15 minutes, yeah, more than, it depends on your system performance. So I think my system right now slow, so it might take little bit more time. Okay. one more thing, if your cursor is stuck in the here right now, so press the right control, so it will mm, detach from the VM cursor. For while installing the OS, let me pause the video. After the completion, I will resume. Okay. Now, I think it is installed, or it is installed. So let me click on the reboot system button at the top, at the bottom right corner. Yeah, it is started. Let me log in with the root account. Yeah, you can see the my current directory, the list of files right now, and in the this directory, how this is, this much files are there. Yeah. So till now we have installed the VirtualBox, and created the VM, RHEL VM here. So in the next part we will see some commands about the Linux. So for today, that's it from my side. Okay, thank you.